To use DraftKings with NordVPN, follow these steps. Install NordVPN. Download and install the NordVPN app on your device. Log in using your NordVPN account credentials. Check the link in the description for a promotional offer. Choose a suitable server location. DraftKings is restricted in some regions, so you may need to connect to a server in a location where DraftKings is available. In the NordVPN app, search for and connect to a server in a supported region. You can choose a server from the server list or use the map to select a specific location. Clear your browser cache. If you've previously visited DraftKings without a VPN, clearing your browser cache and cookies may help prevent location issues. This ensures that your IP address is updated properly. Log into DraftKings. Once connected to the VPN, visit the DraftKings website or open the DraftKings app. You should now be able to access the platform as if you are in the region your VPN server is located. Enjoy DraftKings. You can now place bets, participate in fantasy sports, or play games securely while your online activity is encrypted and your IP address is hidden.